Today is the test flight of the Turbo Arrow. We made a ground check and today we will take it up in the air for the first time in 3 years. We have a test flight protocol here, Piper Arrow, Turbo and the registration, and lots of checks. Lots of ground checks first, and then we have a couple of checks in the air. Engine run, warm up, check of the cabin, and takeoff, climb, level flight, and we will try to fly very high because that's the purpose of the turbo, to give some more power when you fly high. So let's pull it out, fuel it and fly. Piper Turbo Arrow, and it is for sale. Primers 10 seconds. Okay, let's see if it will start. Magic. Oil pressure. Yes. There over here. Yes. Oil temperature, very cold of course. Yes. Putting in some fresh fuel. Taxi check.
We are now checking the steering, the brakes, and of course the engine instrument readings.
Good steering and braking. Test run.
Everything feeling fine, so we are now comfortable flying it.
Jag trycker in mera bränsletryck och klart du får mera bränsle och högre tonårsvarv. Ja.
Controls are feeling very, very good and responsive, no play. And the red unsafe gear light is on when the gear is in transit. drop RPM control and mixture control working fine. We are now climbing to 10,000 feet to perform stall checks, checking stall speed, behavior, and taking lots of readings, of course. The gear not down warning and the stall warning. And reducing speed more, we feel the stall.
Egentligen är det inget konstigt, men det är bara att du inte har någon kroppslighet.
Gear is down, of course you don't hear the gear not down warning. Lots of power at altitude, in this case 10,000 feet. It flies easily 160, 170 knots. Okay, now it's my turn to feel the controls, and let's go down and make a low pass over the Camo's hangar. texting Ulf Kamo to tell him that everything is working fine and that we just made a low pass. Now back to Ljungbyhed. Discussing the test flight. We're surprised that everything works so fine. Feels more like a new plane.
Anyway, very nice. Back in the hangar with the turbo arrow. It performed very, very well during the test flight, especially impressed by how much power you got at high altitude. But that's what the turbo does. We also found out how the mixture control worked, especially in connection with the fuel pumps, auxiliary fuel pump with high and low position. We didn't really understand how this worked, but we could fly it, and the plane is now ready for sale. You fill in a test flight protocol like this, lots of work on ground, and then during the flight we stall test and everything. All indications were just perfect. Hope you liked the video. Take care.